Cooking doesn't have to feel difficult anymore. These 33 Amazon gadgets are designed to make life easier for seniors in 2026. Some of them make everyday tasks effortless, especially gadget number 4. Make breading and frying easy with the Cook with Color Collapsible Batter Bowl. Perfect for fried fish, chicken, wings, onion rings, and more. Mess-free design, collapsible for easy storage, and convenient for quick, tasty meals every time. Cook anything, anywhere with the Pro 2.5L electric hot pot. This all-in-one ceramic cooker features adjustable temperature, a lid, and steamer, perfect for ramen, frying, and more. Compact and portable, it's ideal for dorms, camping, or RVs. Quick, safe, and versatile cooking made easy. Grill anywhere with the Techwood electric barbecue grill. This 1600W indoor-outdoor grill features adjustable heat, a double-layer design, and a removable stand for easy use. With a drip tray and dust cover included, it's perfect for parties, patios, and backyard cooking. Keep your space neat with the Univivi 6-shelf overdoor organizer. Featuring 10 large pockets and 4 small PVC pockets, it's perfect for storing baby essentials, clothes, and accessories. Smart, stylish storage for any room. Keep your knives organized and dry with this sleek slanted knife block. Made from durable carbon steel with a built-in drain tray, it offers safe, stylish, and space-saving countertop storage. Prep smarter with the Nedney 6-pack 16-ounce overnight oats containers. Made from durable glass with airtight lids, these wide-mouth jars are perfect for oats, salads, snacks, and more. Keep food fresh, organized, and ready to go, ideal for healthy, on-the-go living. Keep your kitchen clean and eco-friendly with the Lalaster compost bin. This 3L countertop bin features a secure lid to trap odors and a compact design perfect for RVs, offices, or homes. Hang or place it anywhere to easily collect food scraps and make composting simple and convenient. Slice fruits and eggs effortlessly with this larger banana egg slicer. Made with stainless steel and aluminum wires, it handles bananas, strawberries, and hard-boiled eggs with precision. Heavy-duty, multi-purpose, and dishwasher safe, it's perfect for quick, uniform slices every time. Cook perfect boba every time with the WantJoin 12L boba cooker. Designed for commercial use, this 1850W machine quickly prepares tapioca pearls with consistent results. Ideal for milk tea shops, restaurants, and dessert stores. Powerful, efficient, and built for high-demand beverage service. Mix like a pro with this 9-speed digital hand mixer. Powered by a 400W motor, it handles everything from light batters to heavy dough with ease. Includes 5 stainless steel attachments and a snap-on storage case for convenience. Powerful, compact, and perfect for everyday baking. Upgrade your outdoor vibes with the Keter Pacific Cool Bar. This stylish side table transforms into a 7.5-gallon cooler, perfect for keeping drinks chilled by the patio or hot tub. Sleek, practical, and party-ready in seconds. Fry your favorites at home with the Cuisinart electric deep fryer. Featuring a 2.5L capacity and powerful 1500W heating, it delivers crispy results fast. With adjustable temperature and timer, plus a viewing lid and odor filter. Easy, clean, and delicious every time. Organize your spices in style with the Povinmo's 3-piece glass salt container set. Each 10-ounce jar features a sleek design, airtight lid, and a convenient retractable spoon for easy serving. Perfect for salt, sugar, herbs, and spices, keeping your kitchen neat and functional. Enjoy your favorite drinks with ease using this 3L electric kettle beverage dispenser. Brew tea or coffee with the built-in infuser, control the temperature to perfection, and serve effortlessly with the convenient spigot. Stylish glass design, perfect for home or office. Hot or cold drinks made simple. Simplify cleanup anywhere with this 2.4-gallon collapsible dish basin. The foldable design saves space, while the built-in drain plug makes emptying quick and mess-free. Perfect for dishes, washing veggies, camping, or even chilling drinks. Your versatile, go-anywhere kitchen essential. Create cafe-style drinks at home with this 4-in-1 electric milk frother. With a 10-ounce capacity, it heats and froths milk for lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, or hot chocolate. hot or cold. Automatic, quick, and easy to use, it delivers smooth, creamy foam every time. Elevate your gatherings with the Birdrock Home Cast Iron Fondue Pot Set. Perfect for chocolate or cheese, it includes 8 forks and a safe chrome burner. Ideal for dipping, melting, and creating fun, memorable moments. Keep your kitchen clean and clutter-free with this 3-tier over-the-sink dish drying rack. Designed to save space, it neatly organizes dishes, glasses, bowls, and cutlery while letting water drain directly into the sink. With a protective cover and sturdy build, it's the perfect solution for a tidy, efficient kitchen. Cook eggs perfectly every time with the Elite Gourmet Rapid Egg Cooker. Make 7 hard, medium, or soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, or omelets with ease. Featuring auto shutoff, an alarm, a 16-recipe booklet, and a sleek charcoal gray design. Fast, convenient, and foolproof. Turn any drink into a frozen treat with this slushy maker. Just pour in your favorite soda and enjoy ice-cold slush in minutes. Compact, fun, and perfect for home. Refreshment made easy. Meet the Our Place Dream Cooker, your all-in-one kitchen essential. This 6-quart ceramic nonstick multi-cooker lets you pressure cook, sauté, slow cook, and keep meals warm with ease. Featuring sleek touchscreen controls and auto steam release, it delivers safe, effortless cooking every time. Stylish, powerful, and perfect for everyday meals. Keep your pantry fresh and organized with the Rubbermaid Brilliance 16-cup airtight container. Designed to lock in freshness, it's perfect for storing flour, sugar, and dry foods. Crystal clear design lets you see contents at a glance, while the secure lid prevents spills. Smart, clean storage made easy. Create fun, crinkle-cut fries and perfectly sliced vegetables with this crinkle cutter knife. Made from durable stainless steel, it easily cuts potatoes, carrots, and other veggies. Ideal for snacks, salads, and creative kitchen prep every time. Power up your kitchen with the BLEOU Commercial Dough Mixer. Featuring a 10.5-quart capacity and a powerful 750W motor, it delivers dual-speed, dual-action mixing for perfect dough every time. Built with a food-grade stainless steel bowl, safety shield, and timer, ideal for bakeries, pizzerias, and restaurants. Open any jar with ease using this mount-on-cabinet jar opener. Designed for weak hands and arthritis, its double U-shaped grooves grip all lid sizes securely. Durable 304 stainless steel and one-handed use make it a must-have kitchen helper. Bake fresh bread at home with the Neretva 20 in 1 bread maker. Featuring a 2 lb capacity, dual heaters for even baking, and a non-stick ceramic pan for easy cleanup. With a 15-hour timer, keep warm function, and low-noise design, it's perfect for effortless, delicious homemade bread every day. Make healthy snacks fast with the Dash Deluxe Egg Bite Maker. Cook up to 4 delicious egg bites at once, perfect for protein-packed breakfasts or quick bites. Its non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup, while the compact, non-slip design fits any kitchen. Quick, simple, and tasty every time. Enjoy barista-quality coffee at home with the Nespresso City Z Espresso Machine by DeLonghi. Its sleek design, fast heat-up, and one-touch operation deliver rich, flavorful espresso in seconds, perfect for elevating your daily coffee routine. Easily slice and core fruits with the apple slicer. This heavy-duty cutter handles apples up to 3.8 inches, features 8 slices, a comfort handle, and a stable stand. Plus, it comes with tomato cutting blades for versatile, quick, and safe kitchen prep. Start your day with the Nostalgia 3-in-1 breakfast station. Brew coffee, cook on the non-stick griddle, and toast in the 4-slice oven, all at once. With a built-in timer and retro red design, it's the perfect all-in-one solution for quick, delicious mornings. Keep your fridge neat and efficient with the automatic rolling egg storage organizer. This space-saving holder neatly stores up to 28 eggs and automatically rolls them forward for easy access. Perfect for refrigerators, cabinets, or countertops. Its sleek white design keeps your kitchen organized and hassle-free every day. Clean and drain with ease using the multifunctional drain basket. This 2024 fruit cleaning bowl set includes 2 clear containers with built-in strainers, perfect for washing fruits, vegetables, and catching food over the sink. Durable, practical, and mess-free, it's a must-have for every kitchen. Slice butter quickly and neatly with this butter slicer cutter. The built-in storage container with lid keeps your butter organized in the fridge. Make delicious churros at home with the Need Eat Churro Maker Kit, featuring a booster-powered handle, churrera, and piping bag for easy filling. Comes with a QR recipe guide, perfect for homemade churros, cookies, and fun, creative baking anytime. Slice like a pitmaster with the Cutlux 12 brisket knife. Crafted from razor-sharp German steel, it delivers smooth, precise cuts for meat and barbecue. The ergonomic full-tang handle ensures comfort and control, while the included sheath keeps it protected. Perfect for grilling enthusiasts and serious cooks. Turn breakfast into something fun with the Starblue Double Waffle Bowl Maker. Create delicious Belgian waffle bowls in minutes, perfect for ice cream, fruit, and more. With 1200 W of power and an easy-to-use design, it's a creative kitchen must-have and a perfect gift idea for any occasion. Quickly slice fruits with the Fire Kylan Banana Slicer. Made with durable ABS and stainless steel, it easily cuts bananas, strawberries, grapes, and more. Comes in a 2-piece set, perfect for salads, snacks, and effortless kitchen prep. Store your spices in style with the HTB Bamboo Salt Cellar, featuring a swivel magnetic lid for easy one-handed access and a mini spoon for precise use. Perfect for salt, pepper, or spices, compact, elegant, and ideal for everyday kitchen use. Organize your kitchen with the Copco 2-tier non-skid turntable. This 12-inch durable organizer rotates smoothly, keeping spices, condiments, and pantry items within easy reach. Easy to clean and stylish in white and gray. Perfect for any cabinet or countertop. Make homemade baby food simple with the Infantino Squeeze Station. Fill up to 3 reusable pouches at once with ease. Dishwasher safe and easy to use, it's an essential tool for preparing healthy, mess-free meals for your little one, convenient and fun. Cook perfect eggs and omelets with this ceramic egg frying pan. Non-stick and induction compatible, it holds up to 4 eggs and features a detachable handle for easy storage and serving. Comes with a lid to lock in heat and moisture. Durable, convenient, and stylish in blue for everyday cooking. Cook 2 dishes at once with Chef-Aid's slow cooker divider liners. Made from 100% reusable silicone, these liners fit 6, 8-quart slow cookers and keep flavors separate with ease. The built-in handles make lifting simple, while the non-stick design ensures quick cleanup. Perfect for convenient, mess-free cooking. Measure ingredients effortlessly with the 4-in-1 adjustable measuring cup. This multifunctional cup features a scraper-style seal base, push-up design, and space-saving, easy-to-clean construction. Perfect for cooking and baking. No waste, precise, and convenient every time. Quickly wash and dry your greens with the Desire Path Salad Spinner. Its large, BPA-free design easily handles lettuce, fruits, and vegetables, while the efficient squeezer and quick-dry system removes water fast. Perfect for salads, dumpling fillings, or any fresh produce, it's a must-have kitchen strainer for effortless prep. Mix, whip, and knead with ease using the Bella 3.5 QT handstand mixer. This 2-in-1 design works as a stand or handheld mixer, powered by a 200W motor. Includes a bowl, dough hook, whisk, and beaters, perfect for effortless baking every time. Make perfect eggs every time with the Techa Frittata and omelette pan. This non-stick, double-sided folding design lets you flip with ease for fluffy omelets and frittatas. PFOA-free and made in Korea. Quick, mess-free, and perfect for everyday cooking. Elevate your kitchen with the FYGO Diamond Luxe Olive Oil Dispenser Set. Each 350 milliliters glass bottle comes with a pourer and funnel for precise, mess-free pouring. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, or dressings, this stylish 2-piece set combines functionality and elegance for everyday cooking and serving. Cook with clarity using this 1.5L borosilicate glass cooking pot. Perfect for pasta, noodles, soup, or milk, It lets you watch your food as it cooks. Heat-resistant and stovetop safe, it includes a lid and brush for easy use and cleaning, simple, stylish, and practical for everyday cooking. Stay hydrated the smart way with the Mavision water dispenser. This portable, USB rechargeable pump fits 3 to 5 gallon bottles and delivers water instantly with just one touch. Perfect for home, office, or even camping. No heavy lifting, no spills, just pure convenience anytime, anywhere. Upgrade your kitchen with the ultimate yogurt strainer. Turn regular yogurt into thick, creamy Greek yogurt packed with protein, featuring 70% less sugar and lactose. Made with fine mesh nylon, BPA-free materials, and a large 2.3 quart capacity. Easy, healthy, and dishwasher safe. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the all-inside 3-in-1 magnetic wrap dispenser. Made from bamboo wood, it neatly stores plastic wrap, foil, and wax paper with built-in cutters for easy use. Magnetic design and 3-layer storage. Perfect for a clean, clutter-free kitchen. Mix dough the easy way with the Tivia Danish dough whisk. Crafted with durable stainless steel and a comfortable wooden handle, it blends sourdough and bread dough smoothly without overworking. Strong, simple, and efficient, perfect for homemade baking every time. Cook with confidence using the ThermoMaven 3000-foot smart wireless meat thermometer. Featuring ultra-long range, 6 precision sensors, and NIST-certified accuracy for perfect results every time. With dual thin probes and a large LCD base, it's ideal for grilling, smoking, and barbecue. Upgrade your kitchen with the 33 by 22-inch smart waterfall kitchen sink workstation. Handmade from 16-gauge stainless steel in sleek gunmetal black, this drop-in single-bowl sink combines style and durability. Perfect for efficient prep, cleanup, and modern kitchen functionality.